So solve the initial value problem, that is dy by dx is equal to x minus y square, where initial condition is given y0 is equal to 1. And you have to find out the value of y 0.4 by Adams-Bashforth method. But before you are going to find out the value of 0.4, y0 is given at y0 is equal to 1, means when x is equal to 0, y is 1. When x is equal to 0.4, you have to find out the value. लेकिन अब हमको y 0.4 कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमको जीरो दिया है 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. y 0.1, y 0.2, y 0.3 भी कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. In the previous problem it was given, but if it is not given, you have to find out those values. So those values in the problem, it is saying that starting solutions required are to be obtained using Runge-Kutta method of order 4 with step value h is equal to 1.1. So कैसे करेंगे? So हमारे पास fxy की वैल्यू दी हुई है x minus y square. So to find out the value of 0.1, here x0 is equal to 0 and y0 is equal to 1 and h is equal to 0.1. So we have to apply Runge-Kutta method to find out f0.1. Similarly, we have to apply Runge-Kutta method to find out f0.2, then f0.3. And then on the basis of these values, we will put to get the predictor value of y 0.4 and then corrector formula for obtaining the y 0.4. So how we will apply this Runge-Kutta method? Now Runge-Kutta method says that you have to find out 4 slopes. Slope k1 will be h into fx0 y0. Now h is 0.1 and fx0 y0 is to put value of x as x0 and y as y0 in the given equation, that is fxy is equal to x minus y square. So if we are going to do this, we will be getting the value 0.100. Once we are able to get the value of k1, then we want to find out the value of k2. And the value of k2 is h into f x0 plus h by 2, comma y0 plus 1 by 2 k1. So x0 plus 1 by 2h is equal to 0.05 and y0 plus 1 by 2 k1 is minus 0.100. So y0 is equal to 1 and 1 by 2 k1 is equal to this one. So when we subtract it, we will be getting 0.95. Similarly, k3 will be find out by h into f x0 plus 1 by 2h plus y0 plus 1 by 2 k2 here. So with this value, we will be finding 0.1 into f 0.05 into 0.9547. So we will be getting minus 0.0867. And then k4 is obtained by putting h into f x0 plus h and y0 plus k3. So by this, we will be getting k4 value is equal to minus 0.07341. And then Runge-Kutta says, find out the value of k, and this value of k is equal to 1 by 6, k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. And so we will be getting minus 0.833, 0.083883. So it means y 0.1 will be equal to y1, y 0.1 will be y1, and that will be equal to y0 plus k. So y0 is 1 minus 0.0883. So we'll be getting 0.9117. So in this way, you are getting the value of y 0.1, that is 0.9117. Similarly, you have to find out the value of y 0.2. So y 0.2 again has to be found with the help of Runge-Kutta method. Now here x1 will be 0.1 and y1 we have just got, it is 0.9117 and h is equal to 0.1. So k1 will be equal to hf. Now these two value will be the initial condition for obtaining 0.2. So x1 y1, we will be putting this x1 in place of x1 in place of y1 y, in place of y y1 रखेंगे. But before that we have to find out what is x1. x1 is 0.1 and y1 is 0.9117, and putting these two values in the equation, so we will be getting 0.0731. Similarly, we will find out k2. K2 is equal to h f x1 plus 1 by 2h plus y1 plus 1 by 2 k1. So we will be getting minus 0.0616. Similarly, we have to calculate k3. K3 is equal to x1 plus 1 by 2h, y1 plus 1 by 2 k2, and we'll getting this. Similarly, k4. So as previously we have applied Runge-Kutta method, we will be applying here also. And then finally, we will be getting the value of k. And this value of k will be applied to find out y 0.2, that will be y2, will be y1 plus k. So y1 we have already got 0.9117, and then plus k. K is minus 0.0623. So we'll be getting 8494. Similarly, we have to find out the value of y 0.3 with the same. Once we are able to get y 0.1, y 0.2, y 0.3, then we apply Adam-Bashforth method for prediction value and the corrective value. So now when x was 0, y minus 3 is equal to 1, and so we have to find out the value of f3, that is minus 1.000. X is equal to 0.1, y is, we have just obtained 0.9117. We will be putting x and y value into this, so we will be getting f minus 2. Similarly, x 0.2, we will be calculating y minus 1, we have just calculated. So it is, this is y minus 1 is actually y 0.2. This y minus 2 is actually y 0.1, and y minus 3 is actually y 0.0. So in this way, after getting all the value of f0, f1, f minus 2, and f minus 3, we will apply the predictor formula, where we have to put the value of f0, f minus 1, f minus 2, and f minus 3. And with x is equal to 0.4, we will be getting the value as 0.7789. And this value of y is actually the corresponding value x 0.4 is corresponding to the value x 0.4. So this is, once we get x is 0.4 and y is equal to 0.7789, then we will be able to calculate the value of f1, and that f1 will be putting the value into the expression as x is equal to 0.4 and y is equal to 0.7789. So we will be getting f1 like this. Once you get all these values, then you will apply the corrector formula. Now the corrector formula includes f1, f0, f minus 1, and f minus 2. Putting all these values on the right hand side, you will be getting y 0.4 as 0.7785. Now the predictor value was 0.7789, and the corrector value which we have got is 0.7785. So this example has been explained because to find out, to apply the Adam-Bashforth formula, you are in requirement to know value of f0, f minus 1, f minus 2, and f minus 3. And the value of f0 will be known because of the initial condition, but f minus 1, f minus 2, and f minus 3 has to be required. So this requirement can be overcome by applying the Runge-Kutta method to find out the value of y 0.1, y 0.2, y 0.3, and designating all these values as y minus 3, y minus 2, y minus 1, and y0, and then equating the value of function value at f minus 3 by putting x is equal to 0.0 and y is equal to 1.1, and so on. So that is why this example has been discussed.